Go! Ready? Oh my God, you better go put your shoes on. That hurt, didn't it? Very good. That's a cool ramp. Woo!
That ramp is lining up to jump on the go-kart.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Let me see you jumping on the go-kart, Aubrey.
It might hurt.
I wonder why. You need to put your shoes on.
It's too high. No, my foot slipped.
Oh, you got a good old chunk right there, girl.
Hurt.
Hey.
That! What happened? Can I get a Band-Aid?
Go for it, dude. Hit it again, Joey.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, I'll do it. It hurts my butt though.